will unpack the machine hand 20 by Prasariti, you will get a power cable which can be fixed on the bottom side of the machine, left hand side. The other end of the power cable will go to the back side of the UPS, and the UPS will be connected to the supply. It has got a oxygen tube which can be connected on the right hand side port like this. To remove it, you will have to press the sleeve and pull it. Okay. The other end of the oxygen tube, remember this is a low pressure circuit ventilator. It has to be attached with a humidifier with a flow control valve. The maximum pressure permissible is 4 bar or 50 psi. You have to adjust a flow rate of 10 liters per minute on this flow meter. There is a ventilator circuit provided. The inhale and exhale port can be attached to the machine like this. The other end of the ventilator circuit goes to the patient via a filter which can be fixed like this. This filter directly can go to the patient's tube. There is one exhaust port available. The gases exhaled by the patient can be actually delivered outside the chamber or the room through this tube, which can directly go to outside of the ICU. There is a display programming keys on this machine on the front panel of the machine.